Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop blinking so much on camera. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 4 simple things that you can do to hopefully allow you to blink less while in front of a camera. They're relatively easy to do and relatively easy to incorporate, so try them out and hopefully they can help you out. One of them will hopefully help you a decent amount, but if you can do all of them, that is even better and it should be more effective. Starting off with number one. Number one is lower the brightness of the lighting. So you might be blinking so much because the lights are so bright. So if you can, lower the brightness of the lighting, okay? You know, you might not be able to, that might not be an option, but you can try to lower the brightness of the lighting even slightly, or maybe adjust the angle of the lighting, or maybe bring the lighting further away from you. Just try to use the lighting and change the lighting so that it doesn't affect your eyes as much. So you do what you can with the lighting, potentially, hopefully by lowering the brightness of it, and it will hopefully help you blink less. But even if you can do something else that will help you blink less, that should work as well, okay? Moving on to number two. Number two is stay relaxed. When you're nervous, when you're jittery, you're more likely to blink more. By staying relaxed, you're more likely to not blink as much. So just calm down, take a few deep breaths, and stay relaxed. When you stay relaxed, you're less likely to blink as much. Simple as that. Moving on to number three. Number three is fix your gaze on a point behind the lens. So take your gaze, which is like your stare or where you're looking, and fix it, okay? Make it set at a point behind the lens. So instead of looking around or looking, around behind the lens, pick a point, a specific point behind the camera lens, and fix your gaze there, okay? You can even fix your gaze on the camera lens itself. That will work as well. But, or even somewhere just around the camera lens, but keep your gaze locked in somewhere around the camera lens. It can be behind the camera lens, it can be slightly beside it, can be on the camera lens, but get your gaze and fix it on a point that is directly where you should be looking towards the camera lens, and just stay locked in with your visualization on that point. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 4. Number 4 is make sure your eyes are not dry. Simple as that. Make sure your eyes are not dry. If your eyes are dry, you're more likely to need to blink more or to want to blink more. By making sure that your eyes are moist enough and not dry, you'll be less likely to blink as much, and you'll basically be blinking only as necessary instead of blinking to make up for the dry eyes that you might have, right? Because you can be blinking maybe because your eyes are too dry, because the blinking will help moisten them. So it's like the body's response. Even I used to wear contacts for many years, and whenever I would have dry eyes with my contacts, I would blink a lot, and then it would moisten my eyes up. So my blinking was like a reaction to me having dry eyes. That's where I sort of derived that thought from. I don't know if it's like, I'm not a scientist here or anything like that, so I don't know if it's like officially that's how it works. But for me, when I have dry eyes, I blink more to try and moisten my eyes. So yeah, by making sure you don't have dry eyes, then you will be less likely to blink as much, because you will blink only when necessary, and you will not be blinking in order to make up for your dry eyes. You will not be blinking to try to moisten your eyes up. And that's basically it. Those are the things that you can do. Hopefully they work for you. And hopefully you found this video great. And I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.